To take care of your battery life in OnePlus 15, first of all, let's launch our settings. Inside, we'll be able to find the battery section. Then when we enter it, we can scroll down to the battery health. And here you'll be able to find most of the settings that will try to save your battery overall lifetime. So first thing, I will try to read out everything right here. It is pretty well explained by just reading through that text. I will also try to explain it more easily. So we have the battery booster, combines the biomimetic electrolyte technology and an exclusive intelligent battery health algorithm to keep lithium ions active for extended battery life. We can see our maximum battery capacity right here. For me, it's 100%. It's a brand new phone, no wonder. The maximum capacity is an estimate of your device current battery capacity compared to when it was new. A lower percentage means less usage time between charges. So now finally we can go through the settings that actually matter. We have smart charging. To slow down battery aging, your device learns from your charging habits and adjusts charging patterns accordingly. When the battery level reaches 80%, it may automatically defer charging to 100% until shortly before you need to use it. You can activate this option, and what will happen is if you plug in your device overnight and you usually charge your device overnight, your phone will learn that pattern. So it will know that you're charging, for example, from on 20 and then wake up on 6 and unplug your device. And with this setting, it will basically charge your phone to 80% and remain at 80%, which is a stable percentage for battery to increase that lifetime, and then charge up to 100% before you're gonna wake up. So for a few hours it will stay at 80 and maintain that level, and then at a certain time before you wake up it will reach 100. Then there's the custom charging limit. You can preserve your battery life by going to something like 80%. Now what will happen, it will disable the smart charging. Your device will no longer charge to 100% of battery, instead to 80 or any percentage that you've picked right here. But at the same time, as I said, this is a stable battery percentage for your phone. At 100% charging, your battery starts to age very fast, and by doing this, your phone battery will be alive much longer. Then resume charging at 95%. This option will do the charging automatically stops when the battery is fully charged and resumes when your battery level drops below 95%. So basically it will create a loop on your phone when it's charging. It will mostly never reach 100%. It will always stay at 95%. And that is all of the battery health settings that you can do. One tip from me would be to charge your device on based patterns. So for example, if you're going to sleep on 20, just charge your phone overnight, and then with the help of smart charging, you can easily maintain a long life for this battery. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.